Celebrating Erwin's birthday! Date muna kaming dalawa. Plano, magkakaroon muna kami ng table for 2. Pero meron na talagang nakaset na table for 19. So, ayun. Nag-CR muna kami ni Erwin. Taray, tumitingin-tingin ng luggage. Saan ka ba pupunta?
Ano?
Ay, saan ka pupunta?
Kain.
Gutom na! Gutom na kami. Gutom ka na? We're going. Hi po. Yes, table for Grace, Mel.
Grace.
Apa. Sige. For 2, andito na kami ni Erwin. Hi! Birthday! Happy birthday! Ilan ka na?
35.
Uy, bo! Sila!
Ay! Uy, dito.
Sino? Oh my God!
Hindi ko nasabi 7 pa. Thank you, thank you.
Hello! Hi po!
Respect.
Papa! Ate Jo!
Hey, happy birthday!
Nagulat siya! Hello!
Yan. Hey, happy birthday, Kenny. Kenny.
Ay, happy birthday ka muna!
Happy birthday! Happy
Kita.
Happy birthday!
Sabi mo sa surprise namin,
Gulat ko. Alakala ko 7. Thank you.
happy birthday!
Thank you.
Tita! Eat! Kuya! First plate! What's that? Wow, you're eating broccoli! Uncle Erwin, oh! She's eating broccoli.
Uy, wow!
Happy birthday, Erwin!
Happy birthday! Surprise, surprise!
Hello! Video! Hello! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yun mo yung kanta mo! Tan 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 tan. Very happy birthday! Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sana'y mabusog mo kami!
Happy birthday, Erwin!
Happy birthday to always!
Wow! Happy birthday, Uncle Erwin. Oh, this is heart cake? Thank you, Kaylee. Oh, Karsa. So,
Wow!
this uncle? Wow, thank you.